Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Our Place Wonder Oven, which is in this box right here. This is going to be a 6-in-1 item that acts as an air fryer and toaster oven. It's going to be countertop friendly and multifunctional. The 6 features it has is it'll air fry, toast, roast, bake, reheat, and broil. It will have separate settings for each of those functions. It comes in 2 separate sizes. One size is going to be 12.7 quarts, which is this size. Currently on Amazon, you can get this for $185. Additionally, they have a larger size, which is 31.7 quarts, which is probably like a family size, for $245. The one I purchased is going to be their blue salt color, which is like a bluish kind of like pastel color. They also have char, which is black, a spice, which is like a salmonish pink color, and then steam, which is a beige color. All of their color patterns are really beautiful. They're like a natural, like very like matte type of finish that's very pleasing to the eye. That's for both this item as well as their other pans. I previously had their home cooked duo set up, and they were phenomenal pans, and the colors were a very similar palette from that standpoint. As far as the dimensions for the smaller size, it's going to be 10.6 by 11.5 by 11.6. And then the main highlights of this is it will preheat, they say 75% faster than a typical oven, and then heat food 30% faster. The max temperature is 450 degrees, and it has an up to 60-minute time frame depending on where you're cooking. And their technology has 360-degree air coverage for kind of like what it's exposed to. So what we'll do now is we'll just take it out of the packaging and take a look at it. As all of their products, I'll show you their box as we go, because I really liked the fact that they're very attentive to detail when opening this. But it says, meet your new Wonder Oven. It says, welcome to Our Place, we saved you a seat. At Our Place, we believe the strongest connections are made over home cooked meals. And this is very similar construction or like packaging that they provide for their other products. So I'll turn this up now. They have an insert here, which probably has some information. We'll take a look at it. It says, your Wonder Oven awaits. Learn all you need to know inside. Inside here, they have an insert about things to remember with it, its functionality, how to use it, everything like that. I'll eventually read this, but we won't go over it on camera, but it's included in the insert. Then, sorry, I dropped it. They have this package. It has a recipe booklet, so different items in here with specific recipes if you want to try them out, which is a good way to start because you can kind of combine their recipes with their oven to know how it functions, walk through that process. So I would recommend at least trying some of the recipes, even if you may or may not like the type of food, just to expand it and learn about the oven. And then lastly is a user manual that has all the details. We're not going to go into that, but it's very extensive there. So that's in the packet here as far as what they include, which is a nice feature. It's envelope sealed, so it's really like a letter, which is nice. And then here we'll have the actual oven. And immediately, one thing I did note is that on this edge here, it is dented. So this is an item that I will have to reach out to the company and return. I'm sure they'll replace it, but it's just a consideration. The way it was packaged, at least with the bag, I suspect that maybe this was an item that somebody previously had and returned and they sent out again. But through Amazon, you're more likely to have that happen because people send it back and Amazon just repackages it, but I'm sure they'll send it back. So that's one thing to note, is just look over everything. If there's a dent, just send it back and get a replacement. So I'll have to do that, but we'll go over the features anyways just to save time. As far as the oven, there's going to be several different dials. There's going to be 1, 2, 3 dials. On the top here, there's going to be a range from 200 to 450 degrees. It's customizable where you can adjust this real time. So if you're cooking something, you can change the temperature immediately. The nice part about this is it's a continuous dial. So it doesn't have like knobs where it like gets caught. Like a lot of ovens, when you change it, it like snaps into a place. This is just like a smooth construction as far as that. Let me see if it comes off. It doesn't come off. And then in the middle here, they have the 6 main features. So they have air fry, okay? They have bake, broil, reheat, roast and toast, and then toast it says set to 450 degrees. So if you want to toast something, it has to be set to 450. And this style does have that snap feature. You can hear it click. And so that ensures that you're in whichever feature it might be, okay? And then on the right side here is your traditional like toaster oven where it's got a timer. And so if you turn it up to 60 minutes, it'll start clicking and you can hear it. So it's actively going, and then when you go all the way down, it should ding like that. And so it's like a traditional knob where you can set it and then you can add a little bit more, and that's how the timer's built. So that's that. On the front here it says Our Place, and the inside here, basically it says ding your accessories are ready. So that's pretty funny. But like here should be some accessories that come with this. There's 3 shelves, so there's 3 separate shelving sizes, and then they have there's a coil on the bottom and a coil on the top as far as that. I'll try to see if you can get that on camera. But there's a coil down on the bottom and a coil on the top, and that probably allows you to do the different functionality. As far as the tray insert, this can insert directly onto the tray, and you can actually raise it to different tray heights. And so you can have the 2 different trays in there at the same time, depending on what you're using. Additionally, they have this tray as well. I think that just goes on the bottom, so if it collects any debris, you can pull it out and clean it off that way. So that one goes there. And then lastly, this is their non-stick coating. I'm not sure if the color changes based on which type of oven color you have, but this is like the ceramic coating. This is similar to what they use on all their other items, the non-stick coating. So this is a ceramic coating. It's non-toxic, it's highly durable. Typically they say it lasts around like 3 to 4 years, depending on how you wash it and clean it. And you don't want to use any metal on this because it'll scrape the surface. But you can readily insert that directly in as well as far as the tray. So that's the main features there. This is what it looks like, so we have to worry about the dent. And then the power cord itself is probably about like 2 feet long, so you can put it on your counter and not have to worry about it. But that's it. And then I believe on the top here, there's an input here for, I believe it's putting in oil. I'm not entirely sure, but I think you can put oil there depending on what you're cooking, or water or steam or something. But that's the main features. I'm not going to go into using it or the main like separate features. Really, it's just adjust it. One of my friends had this, and like it was a phenomenal thing as far as using it. She didn't have a microwave, so she used a lot of this for a lot of things. It was very versatile. And the fact that you can adjust it as you go is really nice too. So if you're cooking something and you want to just bake it, at the end you can switch to air frying it or toasting it, and then you can get some crispiness on the outside depending on which feature you use. So it's very versatile. It's very it's very nice from that standpoint. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's much nicer than like the Cuisinart ones and stuff that just look like an appliance. This is something that on your counter is really nice, but it's unfortunate about the dent. What I'll do is I'll reach out to the company and get it replaced, and then I'll start using that one. I won't do another unboxing video, but I'll just circle back and do a follow-up over time as I use this and kind of see what I'm using it for, its functionality, and whether I run into any issues long-term. But thanks for watching. This is the Our Place Wonder Oven. Very, very versatile. I love their products. They're really good, and it's definitely worth the investment, and the customer experience is really good too, as far as like the aesthetics, what they provide, and the customer support as well. So thanks for watching and have a great day.